Welcome to Bridgeton Investment. So Nifty has reached below around 24k. It faced a very big crash. After stickers, still the negotiation is still there is a war going on, active signs of a war. So what we are seeing is, short crashed the other day. It finds a new support and it pumps up again, like more like a short squeeze. So it is a very big crash. I was up pretty good today. If you don't know Reliance Industry, also I was expecting a good bounce upside. However, there is new news that Trump has secured investment from Reliance Industry $300 billion. If you don't know, Reliance enterprise value or market cap is only around 200 billion. So what they're doing is, over the years, over the 50 years, they are going to be investing 1 billion, 2 billion, etc. And this is a very big good news for Reliance. How giant they are. So they can get oil. I think they would be given a more a P style investment where they'll be given a cut of the revenue. But there are other US oil company which I heard is Chevron, Shell, PP, because they're building one of the biggest oil production energy plant in Texas. So this is like a good news for Reliance. Down there, their oil think will be shipped over to the other countries. Now, Iran, US still there is more. Today there were signs that attack on ships in Strait of Hormuz. So I have did kind of a different. I'm done with the FNO. I am done with FNO. I much rather do shorting with the actual stocks. Overvalue bad stocks. At least it goes in my direction. I don't want less risk management. I want some direction in my favor. Direction in my favor. So it's okay if I can take a little loss, which I can take in. I'm only shorting images, shorting till 15k, shorting till 15k balance. After that, I'm done with trading for a week. And another thing is, I am gone long swing trading long on Eternal. Eternal is now let me just open up Eternal. Eternal, yes. Eternal is now at a very good risk to reward ratio. If you look at its intraday setup, which I like to look at, is 4 hours and 13 minutes in a very good intraday setup. If we are, how much Eternal is loved by these mutual fund companies. And etc. Especially with Swiggy rate, this reaching a very key support level. We could expect a bounce back around this level right here. Like if we could expect a big good bounce back at this level, and that's then we could see here 23,692, and that is why I am like Eternal, because Eternal has if you have been following my channels for a while, how much Eternal, how many times have failed shorting Eternal. Eternal keeps pumping. It always hit my stop loss. However, this time it is at a very good risk to reward ratio. If a chance of it crashed pretty heavily. If you look at 1 minute, if there is a chance of a crash going up, set a target of 250, loss of around 220, stop loss of around 220 I have set up. So if there is a chance of an upswing, now I make a good profit. Loss means I can take in that losses. So that's it from me today. Please like the video. So I think I am going in a bit of a here and there, because I'm eagerly waiting for news on I'm eagerly waiting for news uh, on what do you call, some form of reduction in the war. It is just short squeeze, pump dump, pump dump. So crude oil is, if I look at crude oil is also rising. So if we see a sign of a crash in today evening, I am following today night. Crude oil crashes, uh, crude oil crashes. Uh, uh, then uh, Crude oil crashes, then we can set up a uh, then there is a sign that market go up. So yeah, we're actively following up. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.